Hello, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. Part of it is for you as well as me. We are talking about 2022 simple morning routines and clean beauty. It's partially to keep myself accountable as well as share with you just some simple things you can do in the morning to start your day off on the right foot. I've been reading the book by Jay Shetty, Think Like a Monk, and I'm utilizing his TIME acronym for my mornings, which is TIME. T is for thankfulness, I is for inspiration, M is for meditation or prayer, and then E is for exercise. So we'll get started and I'll show you how I am starting off my year right with some morning routines and some easy clean beauty. So the first thing that I do when I wake up is drink a glass of water, but I add greens to it. It's usually in the dark. I'm mixing up my greens and my water. I have a drink and then I'll usually bring that with me to a chair in the living room, and I'm usually in the dark. Start saying my prayers, basically with a thankful or gratitude list by telling God thankful for the wonderful day we had yesterday, or just very specific little things, not just big things. It's small specific things. So this way you train your brain to be looking for things that you're thankful for throughout the day. After that, I go and get changed. I usually have my workout clothes laid out on the bathroom counter, so it's really easy, and I leave my yoga mat under the bar. When guests come over, I do put it away, but right for ease, I leave it there so I'm able to just roll out the mat and work out. I usually have my headphones in because the kids are sleeping, and I'm like in this clip right here, I'm doing the Chloe Ting 2-week shred video, which is like a 13-minute video. I usually will do anything for 15 minutes or less in the morning, and that includes Melissa Wood Health, this Chloe Ting, which is more high intensity workout. And if I don't have time for that, then I just do 25 sit-ups, 25 push-ups, and 25 jumping jacks. So I try to make it really easy. In the mornings, I make things easier on myself. So I just change into one of these like match jogger sets to take the kids to school, so I don't really have to worry about things. It's easy and it's comfy. Okay, it's time to get the kids ready for school, breakfast, all that kind of jazz, but I'm gonna spare you the 2 hours that this takes, and then I'll meet you back in just a bit. Bye. When I get back from taking the kids to school, it's usually around 8, and I'll start getting ready for the day. So I will go ahead and make my non-coffee coffee drink. So I gave up coffee because I started drinking basically the whole pot, or like 10 cups of coffee a day. So eventually I switched to decaf. Now I've switched to this Metabolism Boost that I mix with a nut milk, and I use this milk frother that I got from Mudwater. I drink this, and usually I drink this while I am getting ready. It's makeup time. That's my favorite time. I love putting on makeup every day, even if I'm not shooting, just because it makes me feel like a better version of myself. And this part of the video is sponsored by Merit Beauty. When you order from Merit Beauty, it comes in the signature pouch. They have lots of double duty products like the concealer and foundation stick, also the blush balm. I do use it on my lips. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be done like that, but I like things that are super easy. So without ado, let me show you how I do this 5-minute face. First, I start off with the complexion and concealer stick. This is the color Sand, and what I do is I just go all over my face to just even out my skin tone. Then I use this beautiful foundation brush by Merit, and I just brush out the foundation, and that just evens everything out. Next, I go back with this complexion foundation stick, and I use it as a concealer. So I concentrate it more under my eyes, and I do a little bit above my eyelids, kind of by my nose crease, and just some areas where I have some spots. I go in with a beauty blender, and I just kind of press and blend it in. So this way I have more coverage in these areas. Just gonna grab a mirror, really make sure I blended everything in. Okay, and so now I've got an evened out face. I liked the concealer and foundation stick so much that I got it chestnut color to use as a contour. So I quickly just kind of go around my forehead area, and I do this line. You can see from my mouth to the top of my ear, I just do a quick line. Same on this side. under my chin and then quickly around my nose. Okay, and I have this older brush from Lancome. It's a double-sided brush, so I use this to just blend everything out quickly. And I kind of use circular motions to blend. When I get to the contour on the cheek, I do kind of go upward so I don't drag it down. Then I go under my chin and blend it out. When I get to my nose, I do use the smaller end of the brush and I just use that to blend. Sometimes if I've gotten a little heavy-handed, I have to use my fingers and just kind of smear it off a little bit. You can see how just this little bit of contour has given me some shape to my face. Next up, I add color. I went ahead and bought the Cheeky, which is a blush. Technically, it's a blush balm, but I kind of go over my lips too, so I just add it to my cheeks, on my nose for that blush, and I kind of add a little bit to my lips. And I just use my hands to blend it out. And the warmth from my fingers just really helps it spread out. I do a little under my chin also with what's left over on my fingers. But this gives a nice flush look. If you don't like that, I guess it kind of looks like you just exercised. Maybe you can go for an après-ski look. And now we've got color to our face. Next, I go in with a highlighter. This is a gorgeous color in Kava. And I just go right on the top of my cheeks and I make a little V to right above my eyebrows. So go down the bridge of my nose, on the tip, and on my Cupid's bow. I just use my fingers, blend it out. I use this K.R. Weiss lip pencil in Saturate. I line my lips. There are two gorgeous lip oils, and I'm gonna use this more neutral color taupe and go over my lips. Last but not least is brows, and currently I'm using this color by Thrive Audrey, and I am just going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. This is a Ricky travel mirror, so I usually bring it with me when I travel because it also has a light. Then I brush it out, and then I will end with this Merit Brow Gel in brown. This is gorgeous. It leaves my brows nice and fluffy. Last step is I will set my makeup. I'm using this Lawless Glam Guard. You shake it and you spray. And there we have it. This is my 5-minute face. I love putting on makeup, and so if I just need 5 minutes, I just throw this on. I just like things that are fast and easy, and I love that Merit has double duty products, which is amazing. Let me know if you want to see a more glam full makeup look in the comments below. Okay, so what did you think? Easy, doable? Do you think I'll be able to keep it up? I'm hoping so. This is actually what I used to do every day, with the exercise not being as long. Honestly, it was like the stretching part, but I feel like I can keep this up if I can just make sure I get to bed on time, which would be like 10 p.m. at night to wake up at 5. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always follow me on Style of Sam on Instagram and check out my blog at styleofsam.com. For my next video, I have how to style the tweed or Chanel jacket. So check that out and I will see you soon. Bye.